Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO 10e Chromebook, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So let's start with customization, and then I'll show you how to have the fastest way to actually turn on or off this mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to find the personalization or device actually. Let's tap on device and then tap on displays. And as you can see here, we've got the night light, so we can turn it on just by tapping on this switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or even amber, and the colors are a little bit dull. It is because your device is using the night shield, which will protect your eyes and make it easier to look at the screen in the dim light. So here you can manage the color temperature. By going to the left you can make it cooler, so it is to be honest almost invisible, and by going to the right much warmer. As you can see, it is totally yellow or orange, a strange color really. So just set this switcher like you want to on the option which is the most comfortable for you. You can also schedule the feature. Never option is just like a manual option, so you have to manually turn it on or off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based. And here you've got the customized option, so you can set a specific period of time when the night light will be applied. So it's up to you. All right, so we've got the customization, and now I'd like to show you much faster access to this option. All you have to do is to basically tap on this bar kind of with the hour, notifications, etc. And right here we've got the icons. So let's go to the right, and as you can see, we've got the night light. So let's simply tap on it, and unfortunately we will be immediately transferred to this section, so you have to turn it on by using this switcher. However, it is a kind of a shortcut which will allow you to fastly get into this option. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.